Who sat and watched my infant when sleeping on my cradle bed, and tears of sweet affection shed? Who? My mother, my mother. Never betray your mother in your life. Mother is the greatest person existing on earth. With this we'll start the 12th question from exercise 2.5 from triangles, which says two poles of the height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plane, okay, on a plane, a horizontal plane. Two poles start vertically. Since they are standing on a plane, they are equally apart in all the distance, okay. So that means these two poles are parallel to each other in that way. So two poles of the height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plane ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles, is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. Consider here, AE and CF are poles. AE and CF are the poles where AE height is 6 meter. AE height. One of the poles height is 6 meter and CF height is 11 meter. CF height is 11 meter. Since they are standing on plane ground, this EF is the plane ground. EF is plane ground. They are standing on the plane ground, and these poles are the vertical poles, are always vertical poles. They are standing on the plane ground. These poles EAE must be parallel to CF because they are standing on the plane ground. That means they are parallel. AE pole is parallel to CF. AE is parallel to CF. If the distance between their foot is 12 meter, then distance at this point, at the height of pole AE, also 12 meter. That means distance between A and B will be 12 itself. AB is also equals to 12 meter because they are standing parallel. Distance at any point, if you take the parallel to EF, at any point their distance will be 12 meters apart. Thus, at the point AB, the distance between the two poles will be 12 meters. Will be what? 12 meters because they are standing parallel to each other and vertical to this ground. Since they are vertical to this ground, this point becomes 90 degree. Okay. With respect to pole AE, this pole CF is 5 meters more than AE, 5 meters more. This pole AE is 6 meters and pole CF is 5 meters more than the pole AE. That means 6 plus 5. When you compare from top of the pole AE to the top of the pole C, that means CF, you will get a right angle triangle, that is A, B and C. A, B, C becomes a right angle triangle. If you want to find the distance between their tops, since you want the distance between their tops, you have to consider a parallel line at the distance at the top of the pole AE. Okay, a parallel line you have to take. So when you take the parallel line, then this pole C is cut at 6 meters. That means you are neglecting this part. 6 meters you are neglecting. Okay. So what is remaining is 5 meters from B and C. This is the top tip of the pole A. Top of pole A. This top is considered from this top. Okay, we have considered this BC, and this we have got a triangle ABC. What kind of triangle? ABC, right angle triangle. Okay, so from this point BC is equals to 5 meters, and this AB, they are 12 meters apart. They are 12 meters apart at the foot, but we can take the same at this point A, B here. They are 12 meters apart. Thus AB becomes 12. And what you have to find? We have to find the distance between their tops, that is AC. Okay, so since we have to find the distance between their tops, we have to consider this triangle ABC. Consider right angle triangle ABC. If it is right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem it is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. We have to find AC. Okay, so right now AC square is equals to AB square. What is AB? AB is 12 meter. Okay, that is AB square is 12 square. What is BC? BC is 5. BC square is 5 square. Understand how we got this? Okay, so distance between, if the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meters, and since it is standing parallel, the distance between point A and B is also 12. Thus we have taken AB as 12. Understand? And BC as 5. BC we have taken 5. Leaving this 6, since 11 meters, CF is 11 meter, so we have left this BF. We don't want that. Since we want AC, the distance between the top of the poles, we don't want the 6 meter, and we have considered only 5, so that it forms a right angle triangle. From this right angle triangle we can find AC. Okay, now AC square is equals to 12 square is 144 plus 5 square is 25. 144 plus 25. What is 144 plus 25 is 169. Okay, take square, other side becomes square root. 169 is a square number, thus square root of 169 is 13. AC is equals to 13 meter. How far the tops of these two poles? The top of these two poles are 13 meters apart. 13 meters apart. Did you understand, children? It's really very easy. So the only thing is you need to see certain changes. What are you have to make? You have to cut the longer pole into 5 into 6, so that whatever the height of the first pole, that much height you have to neglect from the second pole. And what is the meaning is 5, that becomes BC. And what is the distance of their foot that you have to take as AB distance here at the top of pole AE. There, if you take one parallel, that becomes AB, that becomes 12. And what you have to find is AC by considering triangle ABC. What kind of triangle? Right angle triangle. After you consider the right angle triangle, then automatically you can apply Pythagoras theorem. By applying Pythagoras theorem, you will get AC. What is this AC? AC is nothing but the distance between their tops. What is the distance between their tops? 13 meters. Understand, children? We will meet you in the next video with 13th question from exercise 2.5. Bye bye.